My Lifestyle products are manufactured in India across 9 GMP certified facilities spanning over 5 lakh square feet. These facilities are modern, with utmost importance given to hygiene, and powered by automation, ensuring minimal human contact and maximum precision. Behind every My Lifestyle product is the backing of science. At My Lifestyle, quality isn't just claimed, it's certified. Our Ayurvedic products carry the prestigious Ayush Premium mark. Our bestseller product, On and On 9E5, is tested and certified by a global laboratory. Multiple certifications across our range stand as proof of our uncompromising promise to deliver the very best for our customers. Elements Wellness, our flagship brand, has been recognized as a top healthcare brand by the Economic Times.
Firstly, is there an expert team of highly qualified scientists to create the products? Secondly, are the products made in large, modern and GMP approved factories? Third, is there a professional, well-trained team to promote the products? 4. Do the products deliver the results that they promise? 5. Does the packaging look modern and attractive? 6. Are the products certified? And 7. Has the brand been publicly recognized? At My Lifestyle Marketing, the answer to all these questions is a big yes, which is why we are proud of our products and our super brands.
By now, you know why millions across Bharat trust My Lifestyle and its products, a company that delivers on its promise every time. Because for My Lifestyle, quality isn't just a benchmark, it's a commitment.